This is the JBL Pulse 2, and we're going to be bass testing it. I don't know why it's white right now, but we need to grab a color. There we go. This is the color I usually use on this thing. Okay, so now we're going to be bass testing it. I'm going to start with a lower volume, just so I don't blow my eardrums out, and we'll increase as we go. Oh, it's not bad. God, that hurts. High frequencies, man. Ugh. That's really bad. Holy crap. The radiators have not even eased up yet. Alright, they're starting to vibrate a tiny bit. Can't really see it. Oh yeah, they're going. Alright, the volume is becoming tolerable. You can see a little bit of vibration. Now we can crank this up. Oh, they're definitely going. My whole desk is vibrating. Alright, here we go. Look at it. Yeah, you can definitely. Yeah, you can't even. That wasn't bad. If we go back a little bit. You can't put nothing in there. It's gonna pop right out. Let's do some music. Get my mic closer. Not bad. We're gonna roll out on one more song. One more song. Here we go. Now this is the AUVO Mono 7. Now this is extremely lightweight. Like this is the lightest speaker, Bluetooth speaker I've ever used in my life. Everyone's been raving about this, so I'm gonna pair it, and I'm gonna play the same exact song. No power. Oh, here she is. We are paired, and we're gonna go play the same song. All right, same song. Here we go. Bring my mic close. So that $40, $200 right there. Basically, this is a loudspeaker. It is very lightweight and probably the best budget speaker I've ever heard. This is IPX7 certified, which means it's 100% waterproof, and this is nothing. This is $40 versus $200. This obviously sounds 20 times better. This is very heavy. This is insanely light. Like, this is so light. Now, I would like to try out the JBL Extreme tomorrow. Everyone's saying this is the best Bluetooth speaker on the market. Maybe, I mean, portable wise, like there's Bluetooth speakers they won't be using portably. This one you can. It's a lot bigger than this, but I'm gonna see if I can get my hands on one tomorrow and use one of those. I heard it's the best Bluetooth speaker out there, so I want to try it. I want to use that. This you should definitely go pick up. If I can find a link on Amazon to this one. This one will also be in the description. I can easily find this. I don't know, but pick this up if you need a Bluetooth speaker, you need a new speaker. This is the way to go. It's super lightweight. Throw it. It's a box, so that's a downfall. It is the next day, and there was one more thing I wanted to do. I wanted to pair this with a JBL Flip 3 and see how good they sound together as one. And we're gonna do that right now. Just undid the seal. Gonna open this crap up. That's hard to do with one hand. One-handing unboxing skill. Flip 3. There it is. Oh, there's like some. Alright, we got that. There's the flip right here. Oh wow, it's rugged. Rugged finish. That ain't gonna freaking break or nothing. And there's that. So if you guys don't know how you pair, you gotta press these buttons. You gotta press that button on here, and then this button on here. They're gonna like search for each other, I guess. Oh, did we do it? Okay, so they link together. I just want to take a minute to admire like how well he built this is. Like, it's braided. This whole entire speaker grill is braided, and it's rugged. Like, this thing ain't gonna die on you. These scratch up super easily. I've been using it through the day today. Let's get back to the sound test though. Nice design, $100. Not bad. All right, we're gonna do it alone. Let's go. Sounds pretty good. Nice, very good for $100 to be exact. Now we're gonna pair these together. I did this earlier. You gotta click this button on here. Okay, they're both paired. Let's do this. Let's hear the song. Alright, you guys obviously heard it. That sounded amazingly better than either these combined make a monster freaking music setup. Like, obviously my mic isn't that great and it might not sound that great through your speakers. You just gotta experience this in real time. Like, when I was playing it sounds like I'm just freaking playing music right through my freaking right through. I'm just playing normal music right through. Like, it's insane. I don't know what you gotta do. What would I recommend? I recommend getting one of these. Like, it's a semi-budget speaker. It's small. It's pretty. It has weight, and yeah, I covered this freaking thing super light. But I don't know what you gotta do. On sale, $80. You can get this on Amazon right now for $80. Like, I don't know what you gotta do. Get $80 together, do some chores, do your work for your freaking parents. Just, you need to get one of these. JBL makes the best out of the best. I know all the UE fanboys might get up in this house, but this sounds bigger, it's more booming, and it has the light show. So if you like the light show and you like a deeper booming sound and also a deeper bass, go for this. But if you're looking to travel a lot and you want a nice bass and a very good vocal clarity in the mid-range, and you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money, this is definitely the way to go. Now, I'm going to be ordering the Extreme on Amazon, and I will be doing that later on. I really want to get this video uploaded, so I'm not going to wait like a week to get my Extreme because it has to ship. And so that's about it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope this helps you make a decision on what you want to get. Catch you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.